Hello guys, welcome to my new YouTube video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a calendar using Python using Python and tkinter, and also another thing called tkcalendar. So first you'll be importing the tkinter library. First, before you do this, make sure you have you have installed tkinter first into your common what you use to code in Python. So for example, I use VS Code, so I'll be showing you how I did it. So I open up VS Code, I open up a random thing like this one, which is the code I've been using for this calendar. Yeah, but it's not working since I haven't imported the stuff. So for tkinter, I'll type down pip install tkinter. Yeah, and then I'll just execute and I'll press enter and I'll install all of the stuff I need for that. But for the next part, we need to install tkcalendar. It's like part of tkinter, you can say. So first, we type down pip install tkcalendar. Yeah, you type that down. Sorry, I made a mistake. Then you just type that down and press enter and install it, and it should be working. Yeah, now let's go back to the code. Yeah, and now here is just importing the libraries we need for this, and also here on the we're just importing a certain thing from tkcalendar, not the whole thing. So here we're just setting up the variable. For the first time we're setting up the variable for tk. So at the start, as we go back up, we import tkinter as tk. So our code our code space will think of, so in time to type out all of tkinter, it will just refer it to tk. It'll be shorter. But here we're doing it again for the my_w to make it easier for us. Sometimes the problem is just doing that. And below we're using my_w to make the screen. So the box where the calendar is going to be in. So here I chose 300x190. You can choose whatever you want, but just not below that. Yeah, and it'll be fine. I just use that as this is the most best for that size. Here we are setting up our calendar. Since we use tkcalendar, we don't need to do all of the coding to actually have the calendar there, because we already imported the calendar. Now we just have to configure it so it can show it in there. So here I selected my modes. I selected day, and for your year, type down what year you're watching this in. So I'm watching in 2026. The month for me right now is the 3rd month. I can't remember what it's called. And my day is the 28th. And as I was recording this, and here we're just setting it up more the grid for it, because the calendar needs a grid to show the dates and times. And here finally we're at the end of it. Dot main loop with 2 brackets. 2 brackets means it's a function. Main loop is what you use in Python, and tkinter sometimes in Pygame, I think, to run the code, to tell your computer that is now time to run the code. Without it, nothing would happen. Nothing would happen. It would just immediately end. Here it's telling the computer to actually run the code. Thanks for watching. And by the way, if you want to see it, try it out, I'll link the source code in the description. But if you want to see it, oh no man, I can't show you. Okay, thank you for watching my video, and make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.